Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the skills required for product owner. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in Scrum and role of a product owner. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. Also, you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, product owner plays a central role in agile product development philosophy and Scrum development. The product owner (PO) workforce crossed 5,799 in 2020 and still is on the rise. It is a diverse role that requires a mix of several skills and experience for high performance. You can't expect a PO to do a great job if they have no relevant skills and abilities. So, what are the essential product owner skills in 2022 that enhance a PO product owner effectiveness and ability to maximize product value? Product owner role. A product owner is responsible for product value maximization and backlog management. They own the product and must ensure that all the technical aspects of the product and its features meet user requirements. Communication and collaboration with the agile team are a major part of the product owner's routine. You can check out the complete list of tasks and product owner performs that include everything ranging from the product goal definition to stakeholder management to full product responsibility across all levels. Product owner skills. A product owner requires a mix of technical and soft skills to be successful in the workplace. The skills a product owner needs to succeed change over time with changes in the technology, so it is essential to keep updating the skill set according to the latest trends and happenings. Analytical skill. It is the key skill that a product owner can't survive without. It refers to the ability to collect and analyze information, solve complex problems rationally, and make decisions on time for enhanced productivity as well. The ability to deconstruct information into smaller categories in order to draw conclusions. The product owner has to critically analyze problems and identify possible solutions quickly. Backlog management, for instance, requires analytical skills because the product owner must prioritize items in the backlog. Identifying which items to prioritize based on their relevance, importance, and linkage with other items in the backlog is a task that can't be done without analytical skills. It consists of subcategories including critical thinking, logical reasoning, data analysis, creativity, and research. So, it is a mix of multiple skills that are all related to logical thinking that is used for solving complex problems. It is not just limited to solving a problem after research and critical thinking, but it involves the communication of the solution to the development team effectively. This shows how essential analytical skill is for a product owner, as it is linked to problem solving and critical thinking. You can't become a great product owner if you can't critically analyze and solve complex problems on a daily basis. Communication. According to Scrum guides, one of the tasks that a product owner is responsible for is creating and clearly communicating product backlog items and communicating product goals. Communication is an absolutely must-have skill for a Scrum product owner. If they can't communicate effectively, the product will eventually fail. It is not just about creating and prioritizing backlog items. Rather than PO must communicate the same to the Scrum team, Scrum Master, and stakeholders. When working on a large project that involves multiple teams and departments, they need to communicate increases exponentially. Communication skills is defined as the ability to use language to express and share information. It is the ability to communicate in one's mother tongue and being able to express one's feeling and ideas. It includes verbal and non-verbal communication across all channels and mediums. Effective communication means that the product owner understands how to encode the message using a language that the receiver can understand easily, what channel to use, how to craft the message to ensure clarity, the feedback from the receiver, and then recraft the message again to address feedback and issues, how to minimize noise during communication for effective message delivery. A product owner must be exceptionally good at communication because it is what they are supposed to do daily. Technical skills. The product owner is a technical role. You can't become a great product owner if you don't know the ins and outs of development, design, agile framework, software development, scrum approach, and IT infrastructure. Technical skill is defined as a specialized skill that is used to perform a specific task such as programming and software development. The user interface the skill in this case refers to an understanding of design standards and user interface testing. Designing and application. It is a purely technical skill that is related to the work a product owner has to perform. There are several technical skills besides user interface knowledge that a product owner must possess. Scrum and agile software development methodologies, software development, coding and designing, product development architecture, UX knowledge and principles, product backlog understanding and management, user stories knowledge, ability to use tools and apps. The agile product owner must be technically sound because backlog management and prioritization is a technical task. It can't be done effectively if the product owner doesn't understand the development and design process and has no knowledge of how software development works actually. Decision making. The product owner is in a decision making role, being responsible and accountable for the product. The product owner has to make several decisions on a daily basis, ranging from what times to include in the product backlog, how to prioritize them, and how to best communicate the same to the Scrum team. Decision making skill is one of the most essential skills that has to be built in a product owner. They must make decisions without much thinking, and this comes from the analytical thinking. It is a process that consists of several steps where you select one of the many available alternatives. These steps usually include defining a problem, identifying different alternatives, selecting and implementing the best alternative, and evaluating result. Decision making is a subset of problem solving skills. For every problem that a product owner faces, they must go through the decision making steps from problem identification to its solution and implementation. A product owner must have exceptional decision making and problem solving skill, and that too should be based on analytical and critical thinking. Project management. A product owner is not a project manager, but they must have project management skills. Since a product owner has to manage and lead the agile development team, therefore having project management skills is essential. Project management is the ability to apply knowledge, skill, technique, and tools to achieve project goals and meet project requirements. It has 5 processes: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Collaboration. A product owner doesn't work alone, they are part of the software development team. Work with them and are constantly in contact with the team. It is essential for the success of the product and its value optimization that the PO work closely with the development team. The closer they are, the better. And this requires collaboration skills that is not the same as communication skills. Collaboration is defined as working with others to achieve a common goal. In this case, the common goal is to maximize product value. Collaboration and teamwork require several skills including communication and emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the key skill that a PO must possess to work effectively in the team. It is the ability to understand other people's emotions and to have control over one's emotions. It has several benefits such as increased leadership ability of the product owner, improved team performance, improved decision making of the team. The product owner must be emotionally intelligent and know how to be part of a team. They need to understand team members, their strength and weakness, and ensure emotional connection. Product development is not all about getting work done by the Scrum development team. They are humans and must be dealt with smartly to avoid problems. The collaboration is not just limited to the development team. The product owner needs to be effectively engaged with the stakeholders too. This includes both internal and external stakeholders. So, a product owner is part of several teams and they need to sit in all the stakeholders meetings. Having a ability to collaborate, teamwork and emotional intelligence skills makes the product owner an effective and influential part of the team. It helps his or her get the work done on the time every time. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.